Copy the framework into your project folder. Add the framework into project. Make sure that your app is linked with the framework and the framework is copied in the app's frameworks folder. Now your app knows about the framework. Let's import the framework. We're creating two properties to store the authentication handler and authentication configuration for Imager. After login, we'll hide the login button. First, we need to create a configuration object and provide him with the required URLs. Consumer key, consumer secret, and callback URL are the private data associated with each application provided by services at registration. Create a view controller and pass him the configuration. Add yourself as delegate in order to tell you if the authentication process was successful or not. Now we can present the view controller as we please, in our demo as a modal. In order to be notified, we need to implement view controller's delegate. Since the authentication was successful, we dismiss the framework's view controller and retain authentication handler. Now we're able to access images from Imager. Because the handler has all the information available about the server, he's able to create specific requests. The requests are configurable through blocks or closures. In our example, we need to provide the client ID in the request's header. We want the request to provide us the data as JSON. When we receive the data, we parse it and present it to the UI. Let's run the application. The authentication screen is presented as modal, and the login page from Imager is loaded. Type credentials. The authentication was successful, and a list of images is presented. Let's see this nice image from the Star Wars movie. This is probably a short, funny clip. Sadly, these images are not available anymore. And this is the image with a cool spaceship from Star Wars. May the Force be with you.